Hi, I'm Bashir Nazar. I help companies get clients on LinkedIn. I am also LinkedIn trainer and coach. Today, I will tell you how you can make a LinkedIn company page. So, for this, you just need to click on work and then scroll down this page and then just click on create a new LinkedIn company page. And now you can see that there are three types of LinkedIn company page. One is educational institution, second is showcase page, and third is company page. So in this video we will discuss about a LinkedIn company page. So just click on company page, and here you need to write a name of the company page. For example, I am just writing here the maximum lead generation. You can write according to your requirement. If you have a website, you can also write your website, and here you need to write the relevant industry. For example, this time I am just adding here the advertising services. Organization size means how many employees are working in your company. So you can select according to your requirement. Different options are available. This time I am just adding here the 2 to 10 employees. And here you need to select the organization type, and now different options are available like partnership, privately held, and now self-employed, public limited company, government agency. So you can select according to your requirement. So this time I am just selecting here the self-employed, and then you just choose your logo. And after this you need to write the tagline, means 1 or 2 lines that describe your whole business. So I am just writing here LinkedIn training and coaching, best quality of lead generation. You can write according to your requirement and according to your business. Just paste here, and just click on I verify that, and then just click on create page. And now you can see that some steps you need to fulfill some steps, then your LinkedIn page will be a complete. So just click on website. If you have a website, then just click on add website. And for example, this time I have a no website, just I am just pasting my URL of LinkedIn. And then if you have a phone number, you can write here, and Jira founded, you can write according to your requirement. And here you can add up to 20 specialties. For example, I am just adding here the marketing, sales. Same like this, you can add up to 20 specialties, and then just click on save. And now here you need to write a description of your LinkedIn company page. Yes, I am writing here the description. And just click on save. And if your organization have no website, then you just need to click on my organization does not have a website. And now some steps are more available. You need to complete these steps. Just click on add location. For example, I am selecting here the Pakistan country region, and here you need to write your state, province, city, and everything. If your organization does not have any location, you just need to click on my organization does not have a street or address, and just click on save. And city, I'm just writing here. And you can add more locations. So if your organization have a more than 2 locations, then you can add location here. custom button. And now you can, if you have a website, then you can add a custom button. For example, I just put here my URL of LinkedIn. So I am just adding here the contact us and just save it. And now you can add hashtag in your LinkedIn company page. So I am just adding here sales marketing. You can add up to 3 hashtags, or you can say that you can add up to 3 topics in your LinkedIn company page. For example, next one I am just writing here the lead generation and then just click on save. And now you can also invite your first degree followers to follow your LinkedIn company page. You just need to click here the invite connections, and you can also select one by one, and you can also select the locations, and you can also select the current company. Different filters are available, like you can say that industries are available, so you can select these filters and you can send the invitation to your first degree connection, and you can also select one by one and send them the invitation. Now you can see that. So we also need some cover picture on our LinkedIn company page, so we just need to click on edit page, and now logo is available. And now you can see that different more options are available, like button, overview, locations, commitments, lead generation form, hashtags, featured groups. You can also add here the featured group that will show on your LinkedIn company page. For example, I'm just writing here the lead generation, leads and data finder. You can add groups according to your requirement. For example, I'm just adding here, I am just writing here the sales related group, marketing related groups. Just click on save. You can also manage your LinkedIn company page in different languages. Just click on manage languages, and now here you can add more languages according to your requirement. You can add different languages are available, so you can make your LinkedIn company page more than 2 languages. And one thing is lead generation form. This is a more important function of a LinkedIn company page. So you just need to click on and here you need to choose contact sale, start free trial, get sale, get started. For example, I am just writing here the start free trial, and here you need to write the URL of your LinkedIn URL of your website, and here you need to write headline, and here you need to write a body copy. So let's fill this, and so you will totally understand how to create a LinkedIn lead generation form. For example, in headline I am just writing here LinkedIn training and coaching, and body message we can write a big message, and that includes a 200 characteristics. So I am just writing these two lines, so you will totally understand about this. And then we just need a URL, so I am just copying my LinkedIn URL, this is a URL of my LinkedIn profile. I am just pasting here and just click on save. And in this way we can make a LinkedIn company lead generation form. You can also add the cover picture of your LinkedIn company page. So you just need to click on pen and upload cover image. For example, I am just opening this cover picture and just click on apply. And now cover picture is also available. You can also set here your competitors. For example, you can just see here in analytics section visitors. You can also see followers. You can also see here leads, because we made a lead generation form. And you just also click here the content, and you can also set here your competitors. For example, I am just writing here my competitor's name, Pakistani Agile Marketing, and just click on continue. And you can see the performance of your competitors, and now you can see that it's more than 1000 followers, new followers more than 100, and now you can see the totally performance of your competitors. And if you want to add more competitors, you just need to click on add competitors, and here you can add more competitors. For example, I'm just adding here the lead generation. Just click on save. And here you can see the performance of your competitors. And now this time I just add two competitors, Pakistani Agile Marketing and lead generation, and these are my competitors. And now you can see the followers of your competitors, you can see the new followers of your competitors, and different more options are available. Like you can see that you can saw the your competitor total engagements, and now everything is available, total posts. And now you can see that in this way you can make your LinkedIn company page, and you can just view as a member, so you understand how look like your LinkedIn company page. And now your LinkedIn company page looks like this, and home page, about section, post, and different things are available. And when somebody click on contacts and then my profile, because I put here my URL of LinkedIn, and then my profile will be open. Hope you understand everything. If you have any question related to our LinkedIn company page and lead generation form, so I am available here. Thank you very much for watching video.